Now guys, this is the first glass I tried on, and I tried by hand or with this tool. So this is a motor from a cordless drill. I made an adapter with my 3D printer, and then here's some double side tape. And actually this is something used in furniture to not scratch the surfaces that the furniture is sitting on. Some adapter, some wires, and then just a laptop, 18-volt laptop adapter, because this cordless drill was working at 18 volts, and that's it. So this is how I first tried before going to work with these ones, because guys, you don't want to screw up these ones. This is World War II. You damage it, you won't find some other. I mean, you can buy it on eBay, but so I worked with this one. Of course, this surface is not similar to this one, and it's similar but not same, because this one is a bit softer and thicker. Yeah, like if you compare, you know. But anyway, it did the work. The only problem is that after some spins, I mean, I tried on another glass first time. After some spins, I was keeping in the same place because I knew I had to work on a very low surface glass. So I tried to keep it on spot, because even here you would have to do like this, yeah. And it hit it and the glass cracked. So don't do that, okay? If it's a very small glass, then work by hand. It's better to work by hand than with these kind of tools, because this, I mean, you need some tool that it's spinning with a huge force and lower rotation speed. And this is not what I had, so this is turning quite fast. If I lower the voltage, it has no power. If I increase the voltage, it spins too much. I mean, yeah. I don't have anymore the reduction gear, that was here. Maybe that would have been helpful. You can try those ones, but in the end, for me, doing it by hand worked just fine. So that was it.